Colorful veggies loaded with nutrition and all in just 10 minutes. This is rainbow salad, a dish that's not only a treat for the eyes, but where each color brings a unique superpower to your body. Want glowing skin, better digestion, or maybe some healthy weight loss? Then this salad is a must-try. Let's create a bowl so vibrant and nourishing, your body and soul will smile with every bite. Let's start with the base of our salad. For that, I've chosen 3 green superstars: spinach, romaine, and mint. Spinach brings strength, romaine offers natural cleansing, and mint adds a burst of refreshing flavor. This isn't just a salad, it's a bowl of pure magic, a vibrant, power-packed foundation for a truly wholesome plate. Next comes the vibrant red tomatoes. They add flavor, color, and a powerful dose of vitamin C because beauty starts from the bowl. Time to add carrots, sweet, crunchy, and great for your eyes and that healthy glow. Next, let's bring in a splash of purple with vibrant cabbage. Packed with antioxidants, it fights inflammation and adds the perfect crunch to every bite. Now for the protein power, chickpeas. They add creaminess, keep you full, and give your salad that satisfying bite. Beetroot brings a bold burst of color and a natural boost for your blood and energy. And finally, cucumber cool, crisp, and oh so hydrating. It refreshes every bite and keeps your body feeling light and happy. Now that our salad base is ready, let's whip up a deliciously tangy and sweet dressing completely oil-free. Here's a quick and flavorful recipe you're going to love. I'm always searching for simple, quick dressings, and this one takes under 5 minutes. Add strawberries and raspberries to a blender. Toss in 1 clove of garlic, a pinch of red chili powder for some heat, lemon juice, salt to taste, and a tablespoon of your favorite sweetener. Blend it all together and your ruby red, tangy sweet, oil-free dressing is ready to drizzle. Now gently drizzle this vibrant dressing all over your colorful salad. As it flows over the greens, chickpeas, and veggies, it brings a burst of freshness and flavor, tangy from the lemon, sweet from the berries, with just a hint of spice and garlic for depth. This dressing not only elevates the taste, but makes your salad look even more appetizing. It's light, oil-free, and packed with antioxidants, making your salad not just delicious, but incredibly healthy too. Your healthy, colorful salad is now ready to enjoy. Fresh, filling, and full of flavor, it's perfect for any time of day. Made with love and loaded with goodness, this bowl is as beautiful as it is nourishing. Give it a try and feel the difference with every bite.